speech on Plastic Free Day. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we come together to celebrate Plastic Free Day, a day dedicated to making our planet cleaner and healthier. Plastic pollution is a big problem that affects our oceans, wildlife, and even our health. Every year, millions of tons of plastic end up in the environment, causing harm to animals and polluting our beautiful landscapes. On this special day, we are reminded of the importance of reducing our plastic use. Simple actions like saying no to single use plastic bags, bottles, and straws can make a huge difference. Instead, we can use reusable bags, water bottles, and containers. By making these small changes, we help reduce the amount of plastic waste that ends up in our environment. Plastic Free Day is not just about what we do today, but about inspiring lasting change. It's about creating habits that will help protect our planet for future generations. Together, we can make a positive impact. Let's encourage our families, friends, and communities to join us in this important mission. Remember, every little effort counts. By working together, we can create a world where plastic pollution is a thing of the past. Thank you for being a part of this important cause. Let's make every day a plastic free day. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.